thinking of customers first and demonstrating the value. Understanding our customers' business requirements is fundamental to the success and reputation of our company. Century therefore invested in and developed the perfect management systems. This facilitated and maximized efficiency in all areas of the business, such as design and innovation, supply chain, customer service, and environmental management. Century has achieved a number of international certifications, including ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ROS, CE and ISO 14000 Environmental Management System, and then enabled to supply the best services for the global EAS consumers. Since conception, Century has seen year-on-year growth, funded by significant annual returns on net profit and revenues. Century understands the importance of reinvestment to facilitate expansion in its operation and the funding of R&D, a critical area to the future success of our business. In the field of EAS, the Century brand is widely recognized and associated with outstanding quality, competitively priced products without compromising on quality or integrity.